Alrighty, let me enlighten you about the Lumen method. The Lumen method is like a recipe for perfect lighting. You need just the right amount of ingredients to make your space shine. Think of it like baking a cake, but instead of flour and sugar, you have lumens and illuminance levels. Now, the amount of lumens you need to achieve the perfect illuminance level in a space depends on a few things, like the size and shape of the room, what activities will be happening in the space, and how fancy you want to get with your lighting design. For instance, if you are designing an office space, you'll want to make sure people can see their computer screens without squinting like they're staring into the sun. But if you're designing a nightclub, well, let's just say you'll want to create an atmosphere that's lit, literally and figuratively. So, to get the average illuminance level, you can use this fancy formula that looks like it came straight out of a math textbook. But don't worry, with a little patience, you will be a Lumen method master in no time.